So here are your 7 golf club variables. And to know these and how they influence a student's motion and the resultant ball flight will be an integral part of your success as a teacher or a coach. We will look in great detail at each of these: the head design, the lie angle, the loft, the length of the club, shaft characteristics, the grip, and certainly the set makeup. So let's get into each one of these variables into greater detail. The goal is to have a combination of these variables that helps the student achieve repeatable centeredness of contact, which of course is one of our 4 ball flight laws. When the centeredness of contact is achieved through a good combination of the variables, this is going to help your students with distance, direction, and trajectory. So we want to look at the different variables and look at the golfer's size, their strength, their club head speed. What's their athletic ability? Have they ever played sports before? What's their skill level? And where do they want to go with the game? That's very important as well. We've got to understand that between manufacturers, each one has their own standards, with the exception of the grip size. For some reason, all the manufacturers could agree on what a ladies' standard grip was, what's a men's standard grip, and adding layers of tape to build up and change the size. But all the other standards from manufacturer to manufacturer do change. And again, you've heard this a lot. We want the student to be effective and efficient, and we can influence that by selecting the right combination of compatible variables for that student. Now, static measurements can be a good starting point and are particularly good for a new golfer whose swing is obviously just emerging and their repetitiveness of their swing is lacking in comparison to that of a more skilled player. So taking some measurements, even though they may be static, are far better than a student just walking in and buying something off of the rack. In order to be successful with selecting the proper golf club variables, it's important that we as teachers observe the students making a swing, making golf shots, so that we see what are the current motor patterns, and to be curious about the influence of the golf club on the development of those motor patterns. So we want to conduct a interview and to find out what their past history is with the game, what their past experience is with lessons, how often do they play, how often do they practice, what kind of experience have they had out on the golf course, what kind of injuries might they have had in the past. Always important to know that. And also, what are their goals with the game? Is it about having fun once a week with some friends, or is it to see how far they can go with the game and be competitive? Important for you and the student to collaborate on the choices. Is it better to start new with some equipment or to modify what they already have? Do they need an entire set, or will a partial set work out okay for them? And also a consideration of used equipment. Most of the major manufacturers have websites that offer used equipment that could be certainly beneficial and cost-effective for the student. And we certainly want to take responsibility to prevent injuries, and here again, selecting the club variables that are compatible to that student are going to help them to be more efficient and effective, and therefore injury-free. We also want to choose the variables that are going to provide consistent centeredness of contact, as that is going to influence distance, direction, and trajectory with the efficient energy transfer from the golf club to the golf ball.